In this lecture, we shall consider some more problems on shear modulus and bulk modulus. And as usual, these problems will be more varied and more challenging than the ones we discussed in our initial classes on the same topic. Let us move on to a new page and start with our first problem. Since I have made so much calculation in this page only, it will be advantageous if I could complete the part B also in this page. So I shall make a valiant attempt towards that. So here was the question that was given earlier, and part B we are doing now, and this angle is of course theta. We will find out the angles of twist at the junctions B and D. So see, referring to my equations 1, 2 and 3, I could write down the ratio of the angles of twist in these three wares AB, BD and D. That is theta AB is to theta BD is to theta DE, coming out to be torque, that is tau divided by CAB is to tau by CBD is to tau by CDE. I am referring to equations 1, 2 and 3 written on the left hand side. All calculations shown here for the part A, you can refer to them as I do the part B of the problem. And this ratio, the taus go off, and it is coming out to be the ratio of the angles, that is 1 upon CAB is to 1 upon CBD is to 1 upon CDE. And we have seen earlier that CAB is pi g r to the power 4 by 2L and so on. We have got all these three things written here. So taking from here, I can put the value 1 upon CAB is coming out to be twice L divided by pi g r to the power 4 is to 1 upon CBD, that is L divided by 8 pi g r to the power 4, and then 1 upon CDE, this is coming out to be twice L divided by 81 pi g r to the power 4. Is not it? We have the values of CAB, CBD and CDE, and you just invert them and put it here, and you can see that these L's cancel out and this pi g r to the power 4 also gets cancelled out. So left with a ratio of 2 is to 1 by 8 is to 2 by 81. And you can show this is coming out to be 1296 is to 81 is to 16. Just do this small part. The ratio eventually should be coming out to be 1296 is to 81 is to 16. Now once we get the ratio of the angles theta AB, theta BD and theta D, we also know from equation number 5 that their arithmetic sum is equal to theta. So make use of this result. This is, let me write it here also again, that is theta AB is to theta BD is to theta D. And if we call this result as equation number 7, you make use of this result 7 as well as this equation number 5, their sum is equal to theta. Combine them and show the value of theta AB is coming out to be 1296 divided by 1393 into theta, where theta is standing for the total angle of twist for this composite suspension thread. Similarly, you can show that theta BD is coming out to be 81 theta divided by 1393. And once we get these two results, they are asking for angles of twist at the two junctions. You see, the point A is fixed. So whatever be the angle of twist between the junctions A and B, the points A and B, that must also be the angle of twist at the point B, because the point A has no twist at all. So I will say that for the junction B, angle of twist is the same value, that is theta AB, which is coming out to be 1296 theta by 1393. You can show this is coming out to be about 0.930 theta in three significant figures. and for the junction D, that is talking about this junction, here the angular twist with respect to this point A, the fixed point, should be the arithmetic sum of theta AB and theta BD, the twist of the upper cylinder as well as the twist of the middle cylinder. Therefore, point D, the angle of twist is coming out to be, this is theta AB plus theta BD, and that is, of course, you have already got the values 1296 theta by 1393 and 81 theta by 1393. Add them up and show this is coming out to be about 0.988 theta. So here is the answer of the part B of the question. We have got the angle of twist of the junction B with respect to the point A was 0.930 theta, and angle of twist of the junction D with respect to the point A only is 0.988 theta, where theta is the angle of twist of this bottom point E, that is the angle of twist for the whole suspension wear. And here is the answer of part B of this question.
Hello students, you got a glimpse of our video lessons through this small lecture. We have hundreds of lectures like this one covering various topics of advanced school level and intermediate physics in our website. They are exhaustive and often accompanied by elaborate diagrams to make concepts even clearer. They are taught with passion and sometimes with a bit of fun. So, at the end of the lesson, you have a commanding grip on the subject and you are ready for the board and competitive exams. Subscribe at physicsacademyonline.com to access video lectures of highest standard on various topics of physics.